Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Bahia binti Rasulullah from NSR 1134C. So today my group and I will presenting our group assignment. Sport that we choose is tennis, which is toss ball analysis. Toss ball is throwing the ball outward with one hand, aiming for a consistent and accurate placement for the subsequent strike with the racket. It is also a well-executed toss, allow a player to hit the ball at the optimal point in their swing, leading to a more effective serve.
My name is Nur Krotoina binti Muhammad Fandi. I will present on this part. Okay, let's move to the key element in the tennis ball toss. Okay, first one is height. Should be high enough to allow the player to hit the ball at the peak of the upward swing. Second one is placement. The toss should be in front of the player body. Okay, last but not least is technique. The tossing arm should be straight and extended with the ball held on the fingertips. The motion should come from the shoulders with a smooth upward lift and control release. Okay, let's move to the anatomical basis of human motion. Okay, human movement plane. Okay, this analysis we use sagittal plane, which is left side body part.
Hi, my name is Nizara Tunasi bin Muhammad Sani, and you can call me Ivy. There are three types of bones that include in this movement, which are ulna, radius, and humerus. So there are four types of muscles that include in this movement, which are biceps, triceps, deltoid, and brachioradialis. There are three types of joints in this movement, which are condylar joint, which is here. This is for ball and socket joint, and this is for hinge joint.
Okay, then I will take over and explain about mechanical base of human motion. First, looking at the slide, we have linear displacement. Hand movement from point A to point B is 1.69 meter. From the bottom to the top is 1.69 meter. So then we have velocity and acceleration. Okay, looking at the video, when it comes to velocity, the ball accelerates due to upward force from the arm. Okay, and then we have acceleration. The ball accelerates upward due to the force and then decreases due to gravity. The more it gets to the top, it will lose their acceleration and then it will go down.
Next, I will talk about angular displacement. The definition is the angle through which a body segment, like the arm, rotates. Based on the graph, on the x-axis, we have time in seconds. It shows the duration of the movement. On the y-axis, we have the angle in degrees, representing how much the arm has rotated. As you can see, the graph starts near 0 degrees, indicating the arm was down by the side. Then the angle increased to about 90 to 120 degrees, showing the arm lifted upward during the toss. There's a smooth curve which reflects the control and continuous rotation of the arm.
My name is Nur Shamirani Risha, and I will talk about the angular velocity analysis. The slope of the angle time graph represents angular velocity from 0 to 330 meters per second. The negative slope suggests a negative angular velocity, indicating a flexion closing of the joint. The steepest slope, which is the fastest velocity, occurs roughly between 100 meters per second and 300 meters per second, meaning the joint will flexing quickly. After 330 meters per second, the slope become positive, indicating a positive angular velocity, which is extension or opening of the joint. The peak angular velocity for extension happens between 350 to 500 meters per second. I will talk about the conclusion, which is how the athlete performance can improve. In tennis, the ball toss plays a crucial role in enhancing an athlete's overall performance, particularly during serve. A consistent and accurate ball toss allows players to execute powerful and precise serve, which is vital For gaining control in a match, by perfecting the toss technique, athlete can maintain rhythm, improving timing and optimize body mechanics, leading to more effective serve and fewer errors. Additionally, a well-practiced toss reduce mental stress and build confidence during high-pressure situation. Therefore, consistent ball tossing is a fundamental skill that significantly contributes to improve performance, precision, and also match outcomes in tennis.